Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to remove all WhatsApp group members at once. So first of all, as you can see, like these are the official applications of WhatsApp, like WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp. And if you want to remove like the group members at once, as you can see, I've opened it. So if I try to like this is a group, and if I try to remove the group members, so I won't be able to remove them at once, as this feature has not been added officially by the WhatsApp till now. And if you want to remove it, like there are some features like the applications which are like third-party applications and are not legal and allowed from WhatsApp. So if you try those methods, you might lose your data to WhatsApp. As you can try like there are other applications called the illegal modes of WhatsApp which allow you to use this feature, but they officially are not linked to WhatsApp. So do not try those methods or you might lose your data and leak your data. So till now this feature has not been added into the WhatsApp, but in future you might see this feature, as this like feature is demanded by a lot of people. So there is a possibility that WhatsApp will add this feature as well.